1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 4-Speed. Price: $23,500. Location: Alabama, USA. The 1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 4-Speed is a true American icon that perfectly captures the spirit of the golden age of performance cars. Finished in its factory bright yellow paint with a striking black interior, this matching numbers Corvette immediately commands attention. Its aggressive stance, long hood, and distinctive C3 styling make it one of the most recognizable sports cars ever built. The real star of this Corvette is its highly desirable L82 350 cubic-inch V8 engine. During the 1970s, many performance cars suffered from declining horsepower due to stricter emissions regulations, but the L82 package helped the Corvette maintain its reputation as a serious performance machine. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this classic sports car delivers a raw and engaging driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. The removable T-top roof panels transform every drive into an unforgettable adventure. Whether cruising along scenic highways or arriving at a weekend car show, this Corvette offers the perfect combination of open-air freedom and classic muscle car excitement. The iconic hidden headlights, hood vents, and dual exhaust system further enhance its unmistakable appearance. The interior reflects Chevrolet's commitment to both comfort and performance. Bucket seats, power windows, a center console, and the original-style Delco AM or FM radio create a nostalgic atmosphere that takes drivers back to an era when sports cars were built with character and personality. Every detail inside the cabin contributes to the authentic Corvette experience. The 15-inch rally-style wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra Radial GT tires give this Corvette an aggressive road presence while maintaining its factory-inspired appearance. Combined with 4-wheel disc brakes and responsive handling, the car delivers confidence on the road and remains enjoyable to drive even decades after leaving the factory. The collector market continues to recognize the value of L82-equipped Corvettes because they represent some of the most desirable performance versions of the C3 generation. Matching numbers examples with factory color combinations are becoming increasingly difficult to find, making this Corvette especially attractive to enthusiasts and investors alike. The opportunity to own a legendary American sports car at an accessible price does not come along every day. Offered for just $23,500 in Alabama, this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 4-Speed combines performance, history, style, and collectability into one unforgettable package. For anyone dreaming of owning a classic Corvette, this may be the perfect chance to make that dream a reality.